I'm just going to read a summary real quick of what that episode was so we can talk more fluently about it. Rebecca, an old friend of Diane's from the Bennington years, stops by the bar for a visit. Rebecca breaks down that she has broken up with her longtime boyfriend and is looking for something that she's never had before. A foolish night of unbridled passion with a man of peasant stock, tall, dark, and handsome, and most importantly, unintellectual. Although Diane knows that the description fits Sam to a T, she doesn't mention it to Rebecca. However, Sam appears, and Rebecca knows immediately he is what she is looking for. Diane confides to Sam that Rebecca is at a vulnerable area. However, Sam goes off with her anyway for an afternoon tryst. After a couple hours, Sam returns to the bar, alone, telling Diane that nothing happened between him and Rebecca, since she was such a depressing bore.